Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Nail Reserve Ambrosia and Roslind 2705, Model 1's 1118, and the Red Iguana Blooming Gel. Yay! I'm starting off with Coco and Claire's Weekend Base, and that will go straight onto my nails. This is one you have to cure. It is a peel-off base coat, but you do have to cure it under a UV LED lamp. It is a gel product. I'm doing a very, very thin coat. And you definitely want to do your cleanup before you cure. I'm curing it for 60 seconds. And here is Nail Reserve Ambrosia. It's kind of like a peachy pinky cream. Kind of on camera it's looking a lot more just kind of like beige or off-white. But in any case, it's a beautiful start to a manicure. It's a nice, lovely, clean base coat, base color. I'm going to cap my fridge very carefully. And this, again, is a gel product, so we're going to have to do our cleanup. And I cured it for 60 seconds. Sorry, I didn't show that like I normally do. I don't know what was going on. But we are doing a second coat of this. And I'm not going to show the picture again. It's going to be cured for 60 seconds when I get done here. And this is Roslind 2705. And then I'll also be using this Model 1's. It's 1118. Oh, so pretty. And here we go with the Red Iguana Blooming Gel. I'm doing a very thin coat of that on the nail, the entire nail, side to side, top to bottom, everywhere. And then I'm going to go in with my cleanup brush because, you know, I'm a ninny. And I'm going to clean up while I'm playing because that's how I have to do it. I'm scared I'm going to mess up, you know. And then I've got some of those two polishes out, the Roslind and the Model 1's. And I'm just swiping in some of these colors. And you can see it blooming already. It starts off a skinny little strip and then it blooms. I cleaned off my dotting tool, and now I'm dotting on top of what I've already got going on there with the, and I know it looks just clear, but it's got some something in it to make it so pretty, some, you know, glitteries or whatever. And then I'm going to check, see what I like, let it do its thing. And then I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds. Then I'm going to top it with the Model 1's top coat. Nice thin coat of top coat, as thin as I do them. You know, if you do them that thin, you might have to do two. I don't know. I'm just doing one, just one. And I'm going to cap my fridge here. And I really, really liked how these turned out. I enjoyed this one. This one was great fun. I'm going to do some cleanup. Hi, Woody. How you doing? And then I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds, and we're done. Here is my manicure. I do hope you enjoyed this one. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.